To add a texture to your text, first of all, add the texture, image or video to your timeline, and then select the text tool and write your text. And then under Essential Graphics Edit section, you can go ahead and customize your text. You can change your text font size, and you can also change your font from this list. After finishing your text editing, now go to Effect section and search here track and add this track matte key to your texture clip. And I'm increasing my text length, and then select your texture clip and go to Effect Controls, and under track matte key just click on matte, and here select your text layer, and then composite using, select here matte luma, or you can select matte alpha. So now let's play our timeline, and as you can see, I've successfully added a texture to my text.